Alright, this video is going to be on clipper care. So I have a clipper here. It is a corded one. We do just have corded ones at Globe. In our surgery area, our clippers are kept in the bottom cupboard below all of the windows. So to take off a blade, this one's a little bit interesting. It has a little piece back here. So you have to push this piece up first, and then you just pull back on the teeth, and that's how it comes off. Now when you're putting it back on, there is a little nub right here. You want to make sure it slides into there as well. And then, so you put it on, gotta get a different angle. There we go. Sorry, I can't do it holding up. So you put it on, and then you would run it to pop it into place, so that way you don't break off the little pieces, actually move your secondary blades. So I won't put that on quite right yet because it's not plugged in. To clean it, you're going to use a soft bristle brush of some sorts. I know you can use toothbrushes. It all depends what your clinic chooses. And then blade wash and oil. You want to make sure you keep the teeth lubricated and to avoid any badness happening. To lubricate the blade, you can do it before, during, and after you clip. Basically, what you do is on your blade, we're going to forget about this part. You put a drop on each end and one in the middle. You let it run, let it get in all the teeth, and you swipe off the excess. That's all. When you want to cool down your blade, if it is getting too hot, you can either opt to choose a different blade. This is a 10, so this would just be used to make longer hair shorter. Usually, you're going to use a 40 if you're going for a surgical prep, so you can scrub afterwards. So if your clinic does have more than one blade, as we do, you can just pick up another one and keep on going. Or you can get something like a spray called like Cool Lube and try to cool it down. And with that, you just spray it on the back of the blade and it cools it. So like I just said earlier, 40 is for clipping, more for a surgical prep. 10 is more so for just getting long hair down to a shorter, more manageable length. So to replace it, you pop it off like I showed you before, and then you put it on, and then some you can do one click, but then you have to run it to get to the second click, so you avoid breaking the innards of your clipper. And then when you want to wrap up the cord, you want it to be very nice and tidy. So with this one, we just do loops back and forth. And then you go around all of your loops, and then finally you get all of your end pieces lined up. And then you would take your end and put it through, so that way it's all very nice and tidy. There's no knots, there's no tangles, and it's super easy to take apart and use. And that is clipper care at Globe University.